What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Nev from Nev's TechBits. Today we're taking a look at a Lenovo ThinkCentre i5 M710e. So here we have the Mini, and here we have one step up from the Mini. And over here, just to give you an idea of size comparison, that is a Z210. I'd say it's about standard size, maybe a little bit bigger. So yeah, definitely interesting little small size, small form factor, low profile. Let's take a look at the inside. We got the hard disk in here, of course CPU and video card, PC X1. So yeah, got the CD drive there. If you want to get on them, take that stuff off. Sorry. And then yeah, right down there now. One second, show you how to get the hard drive. Just set this down. Be right back. Okay, there it is. You gotta get that screw out. Be right back. Okay, so the next thing you have to do is hit that little tab right there. We'll get that out. I should probably turn this thing off before I start messing with these things. Where's the power button? Oh, let's pull the cord. I'm not that far along anyways. Alright, get your CD drive out. Flip that up. Oh, I got 2 sticks of RAM. Beautiful. Where's the hard drive? Oh, there's the hard drive. Look how cute. It's one of those M2 sticks. M2. Alright, let's turn this thing back on again and see what we got. Oh yeah, proprietary power too. Always good to remember. Alright, next off, let's take a look at the back. We got display VGA serial. Interested to see serial there. 4 USBs, network, and no video card, of course. Alright, as you can see here, 8 gigs of memory, 3.0 gigahertz, i5 7400. Quad core, Intel HD graphics 630. Let's run a benchmark. Now, as per the usual, you're going to be using passmark, benchmark. Continue. Oh yeah, here come those planes. Let's see how they do. Get the graphics test going here. So I should probably get the info at the top, eh? Not having much luck with the trees close up, eh? Time to see the space jellyfish. Oh my goodness. So not bad, not super smooth. I've seen better, I've seen worse. Yeah, the rest isn't so important. Alright, let's have a look at the scores we got here. We got overall 3,695. CPU marks 7,000. Oh, geez, you can read these numbers. I hope you can read these numbers. Actually, start off slow here. I'm gonna make this full screen. Full screen, to full screen. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, that's what we got going on, folks. That's what we got going on. So, yeah, nice size, nice and reliable. You got your Lenovo out. I can't really think of anything bad to say about it. This is a pretty solid system. Yeah, that's about it. Like and subscribe if you like this kind of stuff. Always appreciate it, and take care of each other.